Oh, holy. Oh, man. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hey Siri, call 911. The thing is, I'm riding a motorcycle and I hit this dog. I did not know who to call, and the dog's still alive. And it was laying in the middle of the road, State Road 60. And I just didn't know who to call, what to do. I didn't want to leave it for dead. And I'm holding the dog right now. It has a big gash on its right side, on its shoulder. Yes, there is a tag. Hi, I'm sorry to bother you this time of night, sir. Do you own a brown dog? This dog tried to cross State Road 60 and got hit. I pulled him out before any other cars hit him, and right now it has a really big gash on him, and he's like bleeding. He's alive and he's awake and alert. I'm right by the Dunkin' Donuts. No problem. That's where she's very bad right there. Oh. Oh no.
I just gotten back from taking him to the dog park.
Call 911, so that's why I brought her here now. I called 911. The tag did have their phone number on it, and I called them, and these are the owners.
I just got him back and taken a walk, took him off his leash, and he just zipped. I just go. And so, but usually he just ends up in the park. And this time, I don't know why he came out back. I'll take him home. We'll take him home.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming.
Good luck with everything.
Okay, yeah. Thanks again. Be safe.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you for stopping for him.
You're welcome.
Come on, buddy.
Mano, olha isso ali, é um javali, sei lá que porra que é isso ali, ó. Vou acompanhar pra ver, pô. Que porra que é isso, mano? Olha, tropa. Que animal é esse aí, mano? Que porra é essa, viado?
Nossa, mano. Vai. Vai lá, vai.
Eu não ia conseguir passar pra lá.
Não vai, é. Vai pra lá, filho. Vai lá. Aí, vai.
I'm good. My baby.
Wow! And there we go, that's our first encounter.
Oh my god. Didn't see that dog till it was too late.
That was nearly a very nasty accident. Yeah.
Open it up. Vai, 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 vai.
Oi, 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 oi.
Hinge.
want that guy to get hit. I really don't. Alright. How you doing? Oh, he's a big boy. Just gonna put you back over here. I'll probably help you cross the road actually. Alright. Oh, there you go, buddy. You're good to go. Stay. See you, buddy.
Que doideira. Ai, nossa, velho. Please don't hit the bike. Wow. Wow. Damn.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.